guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to a brand new video by Mrs. Makhabeni. Okay, so today we are off to Ezlalini. We just picked up a moto. I think that's my husband there. I'm not sure. Come and phone. We're picking up him out. Then Swamanangale. He sold to us our second car. So let's get going. Corner order. I bought myself these. I thought it's comfortable. Please. On our way to take a shower. Kwenye indlu. Sana. Sana sizohlamba. Nansi view yethu xa sihlamba. Sihlamba phi? Estairs. Sisuka phakathi kwendlu green. Sana hayibo ngathi kuphi sana i-views heavy tonight. Sisempumalanga apha kwi-game Dondon kwi-safari what that's my only job. socks in my entire existence, but I bought them for the road because I thought zikamfi. But san akho formula, guys. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. Zitumbile and ananyaws every day and night. Amakata. Oh sana. Long distance. I wanna go have breakfast with my husband, take a shower, then sleep. Kulungile, bye. Guys. Angomagwinya. Saskia Zambi West. Oh sana. Been promising abantu ke banza kwenza izinto. I didn't know banza buya nje tired like this. Look what I found. Minyara spur.
That's very specific.
Coming from the Eastern Cape, inyawo zikudumbe. Kudumbe namaqatha. Sana umnandi kwanetshomi. My husband, he pro baking in this household. They target stove set. I don't know what's the problem, but these are the end results. Gift for my husband. What? Flat wires.
bitch.
Are you even sick if you're not having icheu? I love icheu game like. This is also my husband's fave. She'll tang Hashem randomly. Noba askol, noba stings will say the. So today I was like, ay baby, this is Golana, uzongithengele icheu because it's Golana zitya amacheu. Yeah, Jimgelo in bed, bangani. Having leftovers, potato salad, beetroot, chakalaka, lamb chop, and couscous. At least in the covered. Why does it look weird? I promise you, kumnando kuj. Couscous le, potato salad, beetroot. I think ile flash le yenziwe ngathi but on tembe ke mabhodweni. Thank you. This is so cute. Just got a delivery from Net Florist. This is from my manager. This is so cute. Oh my god. So considerate. DM Patsing. Get well soon, Bulela, from your colleagues at Research Management Accounting. Oh, thank you. Itinerary. Get well soon. Oh, this is so cute, man. This is so cute. Smile. Chomizam, I look like my problems, but I wanted to I wanted to close off this vlog so that I can post it on time. So okay, this is what you're getting. Unfortunately, I feel like I've been so silent clear video. I feel like it was a bureau, but okay, yeah, that's just, I guess, what you gonna get. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you so much, Sana. Please make sure you have subscribed. Please like the video. Please leave a beautiful comment. It's funny that most people are gonna find out that I was sick. Clear vlog, because I didn't tell about it. I told Umakolo no my mom. And then my husband, oh Sana, I don't get to yena magana sfuba. I kubuza lomba, I got look when Masita Nasfuma. my husband told well abantu xa bebuza obviously nabantu basecaweni, I think he told a few people, whatever. I told my friend literally today, Monday, sendibuyele nasemsebenzini. I was off for a week last week. So now I'm back at work. I was having a conversation, a call with my friend Mavo, and I'm like, oh, it just came as a conversation. Oh, by the way, I was sick. I was in hospital. And she's like, what? When? One day? I don't know. I think defined, but I don't want people to worry about me. It wasn't a big deal. I've had this before, so I kind of know, but I don't know but yeah, I was in hospital. Then I didn't feel well to Saturday, Sunday. Then I was like, okay, Monday, let me go to ER. I went to ER and Mediclinic. Mediclinic is a hospital. It's a hospital in a clinic section, a hospital section. So I went into the hospital section. I went there. It was a bad experience. Then I was referred to another doctor kwenye Mediclinic. Then got a problem with, but apparently the doctor is not contracted with my medical aid. Then I went back to ER, and then that doctor Mediclinic referred me to another doctor Epayana, but on the clinic side. So there's an appointment for the next morning, 7:30. I went there. The process was pretty smooth. I was scheduled for operation. I did the operation in the Payana for the whole day. Then I went back home Tuesday, same day, Tuesday late. And then I recovered from home. Oh, it was so bad, man. I recovered. I don't know if you been here last time. Oh, nausea, migraine, and dizziness because of, I think, the side effects is I don't know if it's the anesthetic. Is it anesthetic or anesthesia? I was that I don't know, but ipilisi bebenika zona zonke bezibhalwe drowsy. So binenza wethundi, nausea. Yeah, it was horrible because been like dizzy and nauseous the whole time. I was living on a smoothie. So I was living on a slushy smoothie, ice blocks, and ukutya dry man, pretzels. I still have pretzels actually. Pretzels ngenancasa, isonges ngenanto, because I couldn't stomach. Mom was like, are you sure there's nothing baking inside? Sada, but no, before nabanye abantu bene no, nothing like that is happening. It's just the after effects is ability. Of course, especially a test, or no, we are not pregnant. So no, I'm not pregnant. So allegations is a sensitive topic. Not to me for now, because I know that I'm journey. So, but yeah, you never know. Journey and they're struggling, then insinuate then it doesn't sit well. Next thing you offend your because you didn't mind your business. Stay safe, stay on the safer side. Yeah, closer to the kindness side than I think I'm rambling, but otherwise, yeah, I just wanted to clarify the hospital part. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm back at work. I'm fully recovered. Yo, sana. I was at home guys. Yo, sana. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please leave a beautiful comment. Please like the video. Please share with abantu ask them to subscribe. Please also make sure that you've subscribed. And yeah, see you on the next video. Bye. I feel like I always say from me, Mrs. Makhabeni, it's bye for now. I feel like I always say that. Is that my signature signing out? Don't. It might be. Yeah. Bye for now. See you on the next one. Bye.